Hi, Preston Sandlin here with Home Inspection Carolina, and it's that time of year again. It's hot. It's summer. It's June. So I recently did a radio show on 30 summer home maintenance tips to get your home ready for the season. And this is actually a list that I printed off. So I thought, I didn't make the list. I just kind of riffed off of it. So that's what I'll do because we didn't get to all 30. So 30 home maintenance tips to get your home ready for the season. So I'll go through them really quick and kind of riff through them. Test your smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors. Very good idea. And make sure you have extra batteries. And a lot of times they do require alkaline batteries. I learned that. Get your cooling system ready. Probably have it tuned up. Make sure you've changed the filters. Go outside, wash off the compressor, especially if you've got like trees like cottonwoods or something like that. Dust off the ceiling fan blades. They actually make a thing specially for that. It's not that expensive either. And make sure the fan is balanced and working properly. Also make sure that it's blowing the correct way. In the summer you want it actually blowing down. There's a little reverse switch on the water heater. What am I talking about? Ceiling fan. I'm thinking ahead. That will reverse it, and you want it going the opposite direction in the wintertime. You know, sucking up the air, but you actually want it blowing straight down and circulating around for the wind. Wind chill something. It cools you off better. Get your chimney cleaned. This is a good one, especially if you used it over the winter. Clean bathroom drains, not a bad idea. And, you know, I recommend not using acidic type stuff. You actually can just use a plunger. And if there's anything in there, it'll clear it right on up. Reverse this direction of your ceiling fans. That was actually number 7. But I combined it with the other one. Clean the baseboards of your home, something that doesn't get done all that often, so you want to go around the baseboards. It's a good thing to do on a Saturday afternoon. Check attic and basement, look for signs of dampness, mildew, things like that, holes in the roof, pests, anything like that. Clean the vents of your bathroom fans. So what you want to do is take the little thing off the bath vent and see if there's any dust, anything like that. Maybe take a shop vac and pull off any lint, anything like that. Number 11, clean the dryer vent and the exhaust duct. Go outside to where your dryer vent comes out. Make sure there's not any lint build up around that. Shop vac to that. Turn your dryer on and see how well it's blowing out. If you got pretty good pressure, you're probably all right. But if it's not coming out very good, you probably need to go through that whole line and clean it out. Also, you know, dryer vents should never have a grate on them. Bath vents is okay, like a little cage-like thing. Dryer vents should never have that because lint will get caught up on it. Number 12, change the filter in your air conditioner. And here's another little tip. Write down all the sizes or take pictures of each filter and keep it on your phone at all times. So when you're at Lowe's or Home Depot, always buy extra filters. I have a box for every size filter I have in the garage and just go through. I should do it once every month, but it's probably about once every 3 months and change all my filters. All right, clean your grill for that summertime barbecuing. If you haven't done that already, just clean it off, get all the rust, all the old grease, that sort of thing. And you can turn the heat up really high for half an hour and it'll burn off about everything too. Wash down your porch, sweep the porch thoroughly and wash it with cleaner. Give your deck a once over, look for any nail pops, any wood splinters, things like that. If you really want to go all out on your deck, and you need to do this every so often, pressure wash it, strip it down, and reseal it, restain it. Polyurethane, it'll look almost new again. Wash and change your window screens. Take out your window screens, wash them. They get really dusty in the course of the year. Add a layer of mulch. Mulch will help all your plants and bushes and that sort of thing hold moisture, which is critical, especially in the hot summer months ahead. Check for outdoor leaks. Go look at your faucets, see any leaks, any wet spots out in the yard, anything unusual, anything that could be leaking. You can also, here's another little tip, turn off everything in your house if you're on city water, and don't flush the commode, run the dishwasher, anything like that, and go out to the water meter, and the meter should not be moving. If it's moving at all, you've got a leak somewhere. You got to figure out where that is. All right, check outdoor play equipment for any, make sure the swings, nothing's dangerous, loose, bolts loose, frayed, anything like that. Protect your home against unwanted guests. Go in the attic, look for any, droppings of any animals that are unwanted. If so, you need to call critter control. I just had squirrels in my attic, and they can chew on wires, and it's not cheap to get them out either. And a lot of these critters are protected or have some protection. You can't. They have to be dealt with humanely. That would be a whole nother video, but it did cost me some money. All right. Make sure your outdoor trash bins are tightly sealed, because raccoons like to get in those and they will make a mess. Clean out your gutters and downspouts. This goes without saying, but they will overflow and cause damage to your fascia and soffit. All right, winding down here, inspect the caulking around the windows and doors and gutters of your home. Consider having your driveway and walkway pressure washed. It's a good thing to have your kids do. Repair cracks or holes in your driveway, the front steps. Trim bushes. Actually, I'd rather do that more in the fall or spring, and not when it's getting ready to get hot. Touch up the paint on the outside of your home. Check over your fence. Look at the outside of your house. Check for rotted, dirty, loose siding. And the last one, consider getting your roof inspected. These have been 30 summer tips. I will put it up on AskTheCharlotteinspector.com. There's all kinds of checklists and free things on AskTheCharlotteinspector.com, and also HomeInspectionCarolina.com. If you go in there, it's Realtor's Corner, but it's really a realtor resource. It's for everybody, though. There's a lot of checklists and things like this. If you have any questions about home inspections or anything related to your house, please don't hesitate to email us. You can email us straight from HomeInspectionCarolina.com. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope this was beneficial.